Before you walk onto a dealership lot or click buy on that beautiful online listing, you need to hear this. The golf cart market has completely changed over the last 12 months, and some of the flashiest carts you see driving around are actually massive financial traps. If you make a mistake here, you will easily lose $10,000 on a machine that no local repair shop can actually fix. We are stripping away the marketing hype and giving you the raw truth. If you want to protect your wallet and make the absolute smartest buying decisions, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and click that bell icon right now so you never miss our real, honest, absolute biggest trap in 2026 is the flood of private label Chinese imports that do not have a real domestic dealer network or parts supply chain. Over the last 3 years, the market was flooded with these low-cost vehicles. But everything changed in August of 2025 when the United States government officially imposed massive anti-dumping and countervailing duties of up to 478% on these Chinese imports. This massive legal ruling completely leveled the playing field, but it also sent shockwaves through the industry. Dozens of these fly-by-night import brands that relied on cheap pricing are completely vanishing from the market because they can no longer afford to import them. If you buy one of these orphan carts right now, you are putting yourself in a nightmare scenario. The moment your motor controller burns out, your suspension arm bends, or your digital dashboard screen glitches, you are completely stranded. No local mechanic can order replacement parts, and the company you bought it from does not exist anymore. Second are the cheap big box store novelty carts. Brands like Candy and Coleman have started selling low-cost electric carts through massive retail chains and hardware stores. On paper, they look like an incredible deal, especially when you see them parked near the entrance under bright flags. But the reality of owning one is a complete disaster. These massive retail chains do not service what they sell. When your brand new vehicle starts shaking, making grinding noises, or simply refusing to take a charge, you cannot just drive it back to the garden center for a repair. You will find yourself playing phone tag with national customer support lines for weeks, waiting for basic warranty parts that never seem to ship. It is always a much smarter decision to buy from a dedicated local golf cart dealer who has actual mechanics on staff and a warehouse full of spare parts. Third on our list are any new carts still relying on lead-acid batteries. Some dealers are heavily discounting brand new carts loaded with old lead-acid packs just to clear space for modern lithium. Do not take the bait. Lead-acid batteries are incredibly heavy, slow down your cart as they drain, and require constant, messy maintenance with distilled water. If you leave them sitting in a cold garage over a freezing winter in Canada, the United Kingdom, or the northern United States, they will freeze, crack, and die. Upgrading a dead lead-acid setup to lithium later will cost you an extra $2,000 anyway, so do not let a slick salesman dump outdated technology on you. Fourth are budget steel frame carts if you live near saltwater or humid climates. Many low-end brands use thin welded steel frames with a very cheap powder paint coating to keep their manufacturing costs down. If you live anywhere near the ocean, the salty sea breeze will find any tiny scratch in that paint and rust the frame from the inside out. Once a cart frame cracks or bends from rust, the vehicle is structurally dead and loses all of its resale value. Stick to a brand that uses a rust-proof, aircraft-grade aluminum frame like Club Car, which will never rust even if you park it right on the beach. Fifth are the direct-to-consumer carts with closed, locked-down electrical systems. Some cheap brands use highly specialized, proprietary controllers that require special dealer-only software to read basic error codes. If a tiny throttle sensor fails, you cannot buy a replacement part online or fix it yourself in your garage. You are completely forced to tow the cart to their specific dealer, giving them total control over what they charge you for a simple computer reset. Always buy a cart that uses industry-standard, open-source electronics like Curtis or Navitas systems, where parts and diagnostic tools are readily available to any mechanic. Avoid these 5 major traps, stick to established brands with local dealer support, and protect your investment. Drop a comment below with the model you are currently shopping for, and I will tell you if it is a safe buy or a massive trap.